friends, welcome to my channel, and here I am today with a new recipe which is very healthy for kids. It's a roast makhana, something that we all can eat, and it's very quick, and I give it to my daughter say around in the evening before dinner and after lunch, the in between afternoon tea time. So it's perfect, rich of nutrients, rich of good nutrients. You should try it. So here it is. Let's see how we make it. So to roast the makhana, I've taken an iron kadhai, and in that you can use any even non-stick if you would like, but I just go with the iron kadhai just to keep my iron levels intact. And to that I'm going to add a little bit of ghee. For those parents who've got kids who are lactose intolerant, you can happily replace ghee with any oil of your choice, olive oil or whatever that you may prefer. So there goes the ghee in. This is around say 2 tablespoons of ghee, and I've taken 2 tablespoons to roast say a cup of makhana. We'll wait for the ghee to melt a little. Now the ghee has melted, and this is around a cup of makhana, and to it I'm gonna add a pinch of pepper powder. We won't make it too spicy because remember this is for kids. And I'm adding a small pinch of Himalayan pink salt. You can use any salt, and you can adjust the level of salt as per your preference. Now this is a very basic recipe, and there are too many variations you can add to it. You can add chili powder if you would like it a little spicy, or you can also add some mint powder or garlic powder if you would like it sweet. You can add some caramelized sugar in it. So there's lots you can do with it, but I just like to keep it simple because it's for my 3-year-old daughter. So I do it on a regular basis with just a pinch of black pepper powder and a little bit of salt roasted in ghee. Stir it well, so just to make sure it doesn't get burnt. Keep stirring it occasionally. Crunch it between your fingers. See, this one is still not crunchy. I have kept the gas on medium flame throughout while roasting it. Now let's do a quick crunch test before I switch my gas off. It's too hot. Just a little bit more. That looks ready to go. Yum.
Makhana.
Yes, there you go. That's for you.
Should I eat it?
Yes.
Is it hot?
It's hot. You just have to wait for it to turn a little bit warmer. So, as you can see, my little munchkin just loves even the smell of makhana. When I roast it, she just comes to her mama's roasting makhana in the kitchen, and she comes running and she asks mama, what's that I'm smelling? And she loves it absolutely. So you give this a try, and do tell me if you've made any new variations on it, on your choice. And till then, stay tuned and wait for a new recipe that's coming in. What's new in my kitchen? Keep waiting. Bye bye. Thank you.